Now unfortunately for you, this Minecraft quality looking image over here just sold for $69 million. So you won't be making $69 million. But fortunately for you, you can go and copy and paste videos about these simple little images and make thousands of dollars every single day online. Take a look at this video that one of my friend posted that got 511,000 views. Has just earned over $10,500 in revenue. The average YouTube channel gets paid anywhere between $2 and $8 per thousand views. If I do the math over here, this video nearly got paid $20 per thousand views, so that means this kind of content gets paid a lot more on YouTube. So right here is a YouTube channel that is already doing this. They doing this without showing their face, without even using their own voice, and according to Social Blade, they are getting anywhere between $130 and $2,000 a month. Now Social Blade's CPM is calculated at $5 per thousand views. As you saw on my video, I own 4 times more than this. So therefore this channel will be earning about 4 times this amount, which is about $8,000 a month, which is over $100,000 per year, just on creating these reviews on NFTs around the world. And like I mentioned, Social Blade doesn't know that these NFT kind of videos get paid 4 times the amount. Take a look at my friend's CPM. Over here on this specific topic, $37.48, that means I'm getting paid $37 per thousand views, which this 500,000 video has generated me $10,500. I'm also going to unlock the largest dollar place in marketplace for you guys in this video that you can go and review all of these NFTs around the world, make this kind of content and see this kind of revenue. And this is going to be the smallest stream of income that you're going to be earning from this. So on top of YouTube ad revenue, there's another platform over here where you can go and pay people to design these NFTs for you. And you can refer your viewers to the affiliate link to this page over here where they can get their own NFTs designed. And you can 2 to 3 times your earnings from this. So not only are you going to make ad revenue from your videos, you're also going to make 2 to 3 times the amount from affiliate links to the NFT design page in the description of your videos. So not only are you going to be making your money from ad revenue, you're also going to be making 2 to 3 times your earnings from the affiliate links in the description to this page over here where these people will design NFTs for all of your viewers. And all this channel is doing is taking stock video images from the internet and turning this into a video and making close to 6 figures every single year, posting this NFT content on YouTube. And the reason why they're blowing up so quickly is because if I go and search NFT on trains.google.com, they are talking about a very hot topic. As you can see, from November last year to January this year, NFT search rate has increased by over 70% just over 2 months. So that means this is a very hot topic. A lot of people are searching about this kind of content, which means there is a potential audience of millions, even tens of millions of people all around the world searching for this topic, which means your video can fall amongst that traffic. Interestingly, Singapore is the leading country of the most searched term of the word NFT. So that means people in Singapore are very interested in NFTs, getting involved, how to buy them, how to create them. China, Hong Kong, Venezuela, and Cyprus amongst the top 5 over here. I'm very surprised, as I thought United States would be quite high, but they're not even in the top 5. And believe it or not, you can go and catch on to this train without having any knowledge about NFTs, without recording your own face, and without even making your own videos, and make tens of thousands of dollars online with ad revenue and with NFT affiliate links in the description of your videos. First of all, what is an NFT? So in a nutshell, an NFT is a little image that looks like this. It's designed by one artist around the world, and it's a digital image that sells for thousands of dollars simply because they're super rare. And there's very few of them. NFTs is backed up by blockchain and cryptocurrency, so every time you sell or buy an NFT, you're using Ethereum, which is a type of cryptocurrency. So when you are selling your entities, not only are you making money, but you're also collecting money in a high appreciating value cryptocurrency. Some NFTs are selling for hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars. As you saw in the beginning of the video, one of these NFTs sold for $69 million. This simple one over here, the Red Board AP Yacht Club, sold for $3.4 million. So, take a look at some of the content that this channel is making. It's basic how-tos on what you should not do and what you should do with NFTs, how to promote NFT art, how to buy and sell them, how to buy NFT art for beginners, how to sell NFT art for beginners. So it's basic tutorials teaching people how to get involved with NFTs. They also make a couple of videos on the top 10 NFTs, top 5 NFTs that you can invest in the next 6 months. They will also create videos on the most top expensive 15 NFTs sold in 2021. So all of these video ideas with the huge trend right now happening around the world is obviously getting thousands of views. As you can see, 166k views, 107k views, 86k views, and this YouTube channel only has 34,000 subscribers. So they are getting 3 times more views on their videos than what they have subscribers subscribed to their channel. So this just proves to you you don't need to be a big channel in order to get hundreds of thousands of views with a specific topic. As you can see over here, their videos do not include their face, they don't include their voice recordings. It's just the screen recording that they're recording, reviewing on how to sell NFT art for beginners. And one of the best places to go and find NFT news is if you come over to Google and go and search just NFT news. So you can see the top article is about an NFT Minecraft project sells for $1.2 million in tokens and deletes everything a few days later. So this is a perfect topic idea for a YouTube video. And what you can go and do is you can go and review this article, read a little bit about it, update people on YouTube about NFT news without actually recording your own voice and without even recording your face. The first thing you can go and do is you can come over to Fiverr and just go and search up YouTube script and go and pay someone $5 or $10 to go and write your entire YouTube script video. Once you've gotten your script, you can come over to a website called audacity.org, which is a free audio recording software over here, which you can just read the piece of paper in front of you while recording with Audacity. Save that and upload that onto your video editing software, which you've just been recording your screen over here of the NFT news page. Or if you even want to make this easier for yourself, you can come over to a website called wildsidelabs.com, which is a website that will automatically turn text into voice for you, so you can turn text into a real-time voice. You can go get a free copy over here, but click on try for free and take a look at this.
Are you ready to get revved up? Ford of Seattle has all of the...
As you can see, its top quality human sounding voices doesn't sound like any of these free cheap robot kind of voices. It's really good quality that captivates an audience's attention, and all you would be doing is copying your script from Fiverr and pasting that into Well Said Labs and has created an entire done for your YouTube script. That's in voice as well. And what you can also do is you can come over to a website called OpenSea.io, which is the largest NAT marketplace at the moment. You can click on Explore over here and go and have a look at some of the trending NFTs. And you can go and create a video on the top 5-10 training NFTs of February 2022. Then all you're going to go and do is make a simple little video. You can get your script from Fiverr. You can go and talk about how some of these NFTs over here are selling for, let's say, $200, $500 that could blow up, even thousands of dollars. You can come back over here, come over to Bored Ape Yacht Club, and you can see some of these NFTs over here have been sold for millions of dollars. So this NFT over here, for example, last sold for 79.5 Ethereum, selected 79.5 ETH to USD, that is equal to 200,000 that this NFT sold for. So you can go and create a review on this simple Fs over here, create a top 5, so this would be the Bored Ape Yacht. You can go and create some on the Horse Club. This one sold for 69 Ethereum, so you just want to go and choose some of the most expensive NFTs sold on OpenSea.org, make a review on the top 5 most expensive sold. You can go make a review on news, so training over here usually consists of new ones. And you can go and make a video on the top 5 new NFTs available for selling, available for purchase, and you want to go and create a top 5 reviews. All you're going to do is open up a couple of these pages, open up a couple of the NFTs. Review this one individually, so for example you can talk about the price, the properties, about it details, and some more activity over here, and relative entities over here, and you'd save this as number 1 and then you go and record NFT number 2. Again, you're just going to read the description, some properties, about it details over here, basically what the token ID is, the all-time average price, what it's worth, what it's going to be worth in 7 days, in a month, maybe how you can place your bird, how many people have favorited it. So you can go and get a good idea on how to create your content. Then your entire script, you're going to go and put into the text-to-speech tool over here. You can also come over to pixels.com and throw in some stock videos amongst your videos, so while you're doing your intro, you can be playing some stock videos about crypto. So let's just go inside cryptocurrency. Click on videos to filter by videos, and here you can see it's a whole bunch of free videos that you can go and download and use for your YouTube channel, which is obviously relative to your NFT niche. Finally, once you've got all your content, you need to go and put your video content together, which you can go and use a tool called OpenSea.org, where you can drag all your video content, your voiceover that you've gotten from Fiverr, and from the text to voice tool, and you can also go and edit in all of your stock content over here. And once you've got a good video, you can then save this video to your PC and it's ready to upload to YouTube. So, this is a free video editing tool that you can download on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows over here as well. It's 100% free open source, so there's no free trial, there's number 14-day limit, it's free for lifetime. Fourthly, we need to go and create high click-through rate thumbnails that will get a lot of clicks and views, as thumbnails play a big role on which videos get posted on the Explore page and which videos that don't. So the click-through rate is a metric calculated on how many out of 100 people click on your video on the Explore page. So for example, if 8 people out of 100 click on your video that on a specific search term, then your video has a 8% click-through rate. Now this is a tool over here called thumbnailblaster.com that will help you get a click-through rate of up to 20%. Anything above 10% on YouTube is very good. The average is between 5 and 8%. So this tool over here gives you a whole bunch of different templates that look just like this, that get a lot of clicks on YouTube because its default templates proven to get a very high retention rate from your audience. So in order to get this tool, this is a paid tool. This tool costs $37. Once off, I don't get any commissions talking about this tool or promoting it. I'm not going to leave an affiliate link. You can go straight to the website at thumbnailblaster.com. I have the tool myself over here, so I'm going to show you some of the templates and actually design a good thumbnail for you. Over here is quite a good theme that you can go and use for videos. It's called Clickbait Funny Meme. So you can go and click on use templates over here and we can actually go and edit this text, edit any of these pictures. But you can see it's going to load up the default template for you, and we can go type here top 5 trending. Let's just move this picture up a bit, NFT. And just like that, your thumbnail is now ready. We can just maybe line this text up a bit better. We can now go and click on save as JPEG image, and here this image is now ready to upload for your thumbnail on your YouTube video. And then finally, for the second way that we get to go make money from this is if you come over to fiverr.com and you go and search up NFT. You can go and pay people anywhere between $60, $100, $500 to go and design a whole bunch of NFTs. So obviously a lot of the people that are watching your videos are firstly interested in NFTs and how to get started. Because while they wouldn't be searching up your video about NFTs if they weren't interested in it, and most likely they will want to be able to get started. So what you can do is you can mention at the end of every video, if you want to go and get your own NFT art collection made for you, you can head over to the first link in the description, which will take them through your affiliate link to this Fiverr page over here. So in order to go and get that, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of Fiverr, come over under the community tab. Click on affiliates. You can go and sign up as an affiliate over here and boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. And take a look at this, you can earn up to $1,000 for a single conversion. 3 steps is join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, that will be the links in the description of your YouTube videos. And start earning over here, and let's go take a look at their commission plan. For any Fiverr Pro service, you're gonna get $150. Commission for industrial and product design, $50, which is what NFTs fall under. So you will get a $50 commission every time you refer someone to the NFT section. Let's say you're getting 10,000 views a day on your YouTube channel, which could mean 5 to 10 conversions a day on affiliate link sales. So let's go maybe 8 people times 50, that's $400 a day just in affiliate commissions. And let's say 10,000 views is paying a 20 CPM. That would be plus an extra $200 a day just in ad revenue. So you can scale your channel pretty soon in the beginning to well over $600 a day, which is 30, that's $18,000 a month. Multiplied by 12, that is $216,000 a year. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day. And all you got to do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications if you want to see more money making videos. Go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.